commenting, DMing, posting, recording. They're all ways we use technology to engage in our digital world. Sometimes it's to share a funny cat video, complete a school assignment, or to keep in touch with our friends and family. Other times we use technology to innovate, collaborate, and create. Whatever your purpose, you are a digital citizen. And as a digital citizen, you have the power to utilize technology to make positive change and engage in a community well beyond borders. Digital citizen is more than a title. Like the saying goes, with great power comes great responsibility. A good digital citizen uses technology responsibly and appropriately. Just like being a citizen of your local community or country, there are guidelines and expectations that a digital citizen should live by. You may not realize it, but whenever you use the internet, you leave behind a digital footprint. That means that every time you leave a comment, share a post, send an email or message, use an app, or browse the internet, you're leaving a trail of your online history. This history has the potential to be seen by others, family and peers, teachers, college admission officers, and even future employers. It can also be tracked in an online database. Now, this footprint isn't like one in the sand that quickly gets washed away. A digital footprint follows you for the rest of your life. So consider how you want to represent yourself online. Take a moment to think before you post. Ask yourself, is it kind? Will it hurt someone? Are you sharing too much information? Does it follow good etiquette? And would you normally say or share this in person? Digital citizens also make safety a top priority when using technology. Would you walk around town carrying a sign with all of your personal information on it, like your full name, date of birth, phone number, or address? No! So you shouldn't do so online. To protect your identity, some good safety measures include making your social media accounts private, never sharing your account passwords with anyone, and not clicking on suspicious pop-ups, links, or emails. You can also protect yourself by not accepting friend or follow requests from people you don't know, some of whom may be out to do more harm than good. Digital citizens are critical thinkers and have good media literacy skills. Technology helps to make information instantaneous, yes, but this has made it difficult to know what sources of information are credible and which ones are fake news. Here are some ways you can spot the fakers. Pay attention to the URL. If it ends in .lo or .com, .co, chances are it's not a legitimate news site. Analyze the article. Grammatical errors, incorrect dates, bold claims with no sources, and sensational images are some big giveaways that the information may not be true. Dig deeper. Learn more about the author of the article and the publishing source. Do they have inherent biases like corporate ties or political affiliations? If authoring information is missing altogether, then that is another red flag. Cross-check the information. Go to fact-checking websites to see if other credible news sources are reporting similar information. Do a reverse image search. This trick can reveal if a photo has been altered or has been used in an unrelated story. Being able to recognize what news is legitimate and what isn't will not only make you more informed, but it will also reduce the spread of misinformation. Okay, so let's recap. What does it mean to be a good digital citizen? Well, much like your reputation, preserve your digital footprint. Exercise safe practices to protect yourself and your identity. Be mindful of the information you share and who you share it with. Be kind and follow the golden rule. Treat others how you want to be treated. Help others who may have less access to technology so they can also have good media literacy skills. Think carefully. Don't take information at face value. Analyze the source of the information to determine if it's legitimate or not. As technology and our access to it continues to evolve, it's always important to revisit and amend what it means to be a digital citizen. What other qualities make up a good digital citizen? Let us know in the comments section below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more Things Explained.